I just want to say, guys, he's 100% correct. Assisted pull-ups is not cheating. I don't know where people got this from. Like, we're competing in the gym for, bro, if you want to compete for who does the most body weight pull-ups, then sign up for that. Feel what I'm, a beginner in the gym or somebody that just wants to grow muscle, it's not mandatory for them to go to the gym and hit body weight pull-ups. You feel what I'm saying? They could do the assisted machine, right? Especially a beginner is gonna teach them the proper form because it's fixed. It's a stable exercise. Even those advanced athletes is going to give them that extra rep that they probably wouldn't get on a body weight pull up because their forearms got tired or their lats got tired. Eliminates all of that to grow your upper back, to grow your biceps, to grow your lats, to grow your forearms, as well as the body weight variation. Does all that also. You feel what I'm saying? But I just don't like people that downplay the machines in general in the gym, especially the assisted pull up, because it's very beneficial. So this is just an old video of me doing both variations in one day. It was just a part of my program. Back when I was trying to build my back muscle, you feel what I'm saying? I used to start off with some assisted pull-ups. It's also a great way to warm up, you feel me? If you want to do body weight pull-up. Here I go to some underhand pull-ups. I do both. And I know great athletes that incorporate assisted pull-ups and body weight pull-ups. Beginners don't feel shy to use the assisted pull-up machine or the assisted dip machine. At the end of the day, anybody that's making fun of you is missing out on the greatest pump of their life. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you do it consistently. So yeah, guys, instead of letting people discourage you for using the assisted machine or any machine in general, just remind yourself your goal, right? Is your goal aesthetics? Is your goal to finally get that first body weight pull up? You feel what I'm saying? Then, if your goal is to get your first body weight pull up, assisted pull ups do help, but of course, you have to work on other muscle groups like your forearms, biceps, lats, and dropping some body fat if